pretty consistently, coming in about 60-70 miles an hour for a long time. It was like a hurricane. So what we need to do to fix it is first get in here today and pull the plastic off, but then we need to put some end walls on these houses. All of them need them all the way up, most of them, probably 6 of them actually. So we're going to pull these back, get some measurements so we can put plastic end walls on temporarily, and then re-pull this with some new plastic. Alright, so we got the cover down, and I always recommend you do that early in the morning before the wind gets too crazy. So wasn't really following my own rules there, but we got it figured out, we got it down, didn't go flying. And we're going to try to use some of the plastic to cover the end walls of some of these houses, so I was doing my best to keep it intact, but I couldn't fold it up in this wind. So I got it stored. We're going to try to take care of it later, and got the measurements on the house, and now we just need to order. We need to order a bunch of stuff for these greenhouses, so I need to get that done and get it on the order. It's kind of why I did it in the wind. So it was fun. I'll see you guys on the next one.